Guys, this is Vandashar BC. On this episode, we are coming to replace a valve. Normally on a high rise, how the system works. It comes through a common, you use chiller and boiler, so sometimes it comes through a common source which goes through the building, and they get their cold water or they get their AC through the chilling system. Now this chilling system is connected to a motorized valve, and this motorized valve, what it does is because it's coming from a large distance, it's having two wires which open and close, so that at least anytime they need certain temperature of water in the certain temperature of AC in the unit, they can use the thermostat or the regulator to just control it. So it's a chilled water which goes through a loop and it blows by the motor into the space. So what we are coming to do is, at this point we know that it's leaking. We found out there is a leak coming from this motorized valve right here. So at this point we are coming to replace this motorized valve with the new one that we bought. So you can see the part number for this motorized valve is labeled right here, and we are coming to do a job by replacing a motorized valve. So guys, just follow up and stay tuned to us. Before we do that, we end up cutting off the main valve coming from this is the valve coming from the building, from the chiller. It has to have an inlet and outlet, and the outlet is right here, as you can see. So we have to shut this one off and shut this one too off. So guys, just stay tuned as we go and do this job. We're gonna take this one out slowly by disconnecting the two wires before we do this. So yeah. So as you can see, this I will disconnect the motorized valve. So now at this point we are in to get a new one together, and we'll come and install it. Just stay tuned to Vandashar BC, and we will bring you more of our videos as we get them. This is an easy job that you can do it yourself. There's a lot of flex on it, so we can go ahead and clean out the flex. Clean out the copper, right? Clean out the copper around. Took it out nicely. Guys, one trick about this is you have to check the flow of the fluid, that's the water. So you can see on this one it's moving in this direction because it's supposed to move in just one direction. So at this point we have to check the flow and do it the same way. So we can just go ahead and connect it, but specifically we have to make sure it follow the same flow.
Yeah, but the load is coming.
Put the force around it nicely. The other end we put a flex to as well. Go ahead and sew that. After we done, so you can see, just wet a rag and to apply this so that none of the plastic inside get melted, just to cool it down. So cooling it down, so we can go ahead and put it in now. Guys, after we finish everything, we bring it back and we put a little dope around it to prevent leaks, so we can go ahead and put in the new valve. So at this point, we tighten it very in order to prevent any future leak again after we finish the replacement. So we go ahead and reopen everything. Now we found out that there's no leak again. So guys, this is how we replace a motorized valve. As you could watch, this in the high rise, normally we have because it's coming from one main source, it's connected to this motorized valve which open and close as and when. So you've seen how to replace a motorized valve. Guys, stay tuned to Foundation RBC so that anytime we get a video we can bring it up to you. we can now go ahead and connect our two wires to make sure it opens and closes. So guys, just follow us. Hi guys, so now after we finish, we just connect the wires, and it's just regular wires. It has no destination of which one goes which, so it's just in and out, so you have to connect it to the power. So this is the ground, you can go either way. So as you can see, you connect this here, and then this one goes to the guys, we finished with the connection, so we can go ahead and turn on the system and we should be good. Thank you for following us on Vandasha BC. Bye. As I say, it's just two wires coming. That also you just connect it to the wire nut, and then we connect this one to the neutral. So that's it. We turn on both valves. And we can go ahead and turn on the system. Put it on cooling. Put it on cooling. So guys, as you can see, the system is now working, everything well, and we're good. Thank you for staying tuned. Try and share, try and subscribe, so that anytime we get a video, we bring it up to you. Bye.